Let's begin. William Shakespeare's poem Shall I Compare Thy to a Summer's Day's question answer. What kind of poem is Shall I Compare Thy to a Summer's Day? Answer should be a sonnet. Question number 2. What is the structure of the poem Shall I Compare Thy to a Summer's Day? Consists of 3 quatrains with a concluding couplet. Question number 3. To whom is the sonnet addressed? Henry Wriothesley, Earl of Southampton, or William Herbert, Earl of Pembroke? Question number 4. With what does Shakespeare wish to compose his friend? Answer: to a summer's day. Why didn't the poet want to compare his friend to a summer's day? Because his friend is more lovely and more temperate than a summer's day. In which month can the darling bird be seen? In May. What do the rough wind do in summer? Shaky the darling bird of summer. What is meant by summer's lead? The duration of summer. What are the advantages of summers mentioned? Summers is short in duration and the wind destroys the darling bird. What does eyes of heaven refers to? To the sun. How is the gold complexion of the sun dimmed? By the cloud. How does every fair from fair decline? By nature's changing course. What do you mean by the phrase fair from fair? Mean the beautiful object of nature. What do you mean by the phrase nature's changing course? Natural destruction and decay with the pause of time. What do you mean by thy eternal summer? The everlasting youthfulness and beauty of the poet's friend. What shall death not break? Death shall not brag to the poet's friend to wander in his shade. What does the poet mean by the phrase his shade? The poet means the shadow of death. What will make the beauty of the poet eternal? The immortal lines of the sonnet. What do you mean by the eternal line? The eternal lines are eternal verses in the form of sonnet. How long will the young man be remembered? So long as man can breathe or eyes can see. So long times this means the sonnet of Shakespeare. What gives life to the poet's friend? The sonnet written by Shakespeare gives life to his friend.